Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Dodge Avenger. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Park your vehicle on a level, firm surface like concrete or asphalt, using plywood if on softer ground. Ensure the parking brake is fully engaged to prevent any movement. For added security, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This crucial step helps stabilize the car and minimizes risk during the lifting process. Your safety is paramount. Now, let's find the correct jack points on your Dodge Avenger. For the front, locate the pinch welds just behind the front wheels, near the rocker panel. These are reinforced areas designed for lifting. At the rear, you'll find similar pinch welds directly in front of the rear wheels. If using a floor jack, you can often use a sturdy part of the frame rail, but always consult your owner's manual for precise locations to avoid damage. With your jack points identified, position your jack directly under the chosen point. Ensure the jack pad makes full contact with the vehicle's frame or pinch weld. Slowly begin to raise the vehicle, watching carefully to ensure it lifts evenly and stably. Once the tire is off the ground, immediately place jack stands under a secure part of the frame, adjacent to your jack. Lower the vehicle gently onto the jack stands, ensuring they are firmly seated before removing the jack. When you're ready to lower your Dodge Avenger, first slightly raise the vehicle with your jack to relieve pressure from the jack stands. Carefully remove the jack stands from beneath the car. Now, slowly and steadily lower the vehicle using your jack, ensuring a controlled descent until all four wheels are back on the ground. Double-check that everything is secure. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Remember to check the description below for a link to this product and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.